What's up, guys? Graylan Stewart here with another video. Today is my Work Wednesdays vlog series. So just going through my day and what I do, the day in the life of a CEO of a wholesaling company. So just kind of getting started today, but the good news is we had 23 deals in escrow last week, which we have 21 now because we closed on 2 last week, but um, another good news is we got 2 more assigned for a total of 38,000. So one of those actually will close this week, and the other one should close by the 27th or something, I think. But so that's really cool. Another 38,000 that'll be on the books for January of 2020. So that's awesome. But otherwise, just looking, I'm actually going to put some ads out today on, and I might just do general kind of listings on Facebook, just on my personal page and things like that. Just because I've got a lot of people in my friend network, I guess friends. They're not really friends. I mean, a lot of them acquaintances or just people that are in the same industry as me. But nevertheless, hopefully that could bring people, um, quality people to my organization potentially, or at least people that they potentially might know. But you know, um, I've never been great at hiring for this business or my marketing business, just because I'm super picky. I expect people to do their job that they're hired for in a lot of cases, but it typically just doesn't work out the way that you hope it would or that you think it should. So that's why I try to lower my expectations, because I tend to expect a lot from people, I guess, just because I assume that most people are like me, and that's just not reality. I'm a workhorse, perfectionist, and kind of do whatever it takes to get the job done type of guy. And I understand that most people aren't like that. God made us all individually different, and that's cool. But I need a true go-getter, hustler, money hungry type of a person that's really good with people, really good at negotiating and closing. Because I'm looking for an acquisition manager and another disposition manager. I just need more people. That's the only way you can actually scale is to grow your team, so you can handle more business. So I've got to actively pursue that heavily. That's my goal for these next couple of days, to get some good ads out. Um, Probably buy ad on Indeed as well. I think they're like $1,000 for, I don't even know, X amount of time, but I think it'll be well worth it just to get somebody exactly what I'm looking for. So that's kind of my immediate goal, and it is still on my high up there on the priority list to get my wholesaling course completed, because I get hit up every day like, when are you going to have this done? And I do apologize, it's taking me longer than it should. Just had a lot going on the last several months, in personal and business wise. But I am trying to make that a priority as well. Number one goal is to get some people hired, but then that's definitely right up there. Number two, if not number one as well, to get that course finished out, because I know a lot of you guys want it. Um, and as I said before, I'm not doing it to make a ton of money or anything like that. I'm doing it because people wanted it. I never intended to ever do a course, but so many people have asked for it, even though I did 100% free training. I did 3 different videos breaking down exactly how to do this business. And then I combined those 3 videos into one for those that wanted that, to make it a little easier to follow, from start to finish. But there's still people, and I get it. You want even more, um, step by step and more detailed out. So I'm going to actually make that training course, because people want that, and hopefully it's beneficial. And I'm contemplating, give me your feedback, drop me some comments, and let me know if you'd be interested in this or if it would be helpful at all. Um, Contemplating on doing some type of super affordable subscription type of a mentorship as well, because I definitely get hit up every day for that as well. Do you do mentorships? And I don't. at the moment, and I really don't have interest in it. However, I am interested in seeing you succeed, because this business has changed tons of people's lives, including my own. So that makes me excited that because I know it can change your life too if you're interested in that. It would be something very affordable, like on a monthly basis, to where I would do like a Zoom call, once a week or something like that, for an hour or so, and then Q and A's obviously for each one of those as well. Probably after the hour, maybe a 30-minute Q and A afterwards, and just help you with anything you need help with. Because I do currently have, a one-on-one coaching call for those that want it, and I tend to do a couple of those every week for people that want extra attention or specific questions to talk to me on the phone. But I think it might be beneficial, and some of you might or might not want it. But definitely a lot of people have hit me up on mentorship. So I was thinking about some type of small monthly fee subscription wise, and cancel anytime. It's not like if you're locked into anything. I would never do that. But for those that want it, that just want to get on a Zoom once a week for basically an hour and a half with the Q&A. And just, you can bring me deals that you are trying to look at, any questions that you want. We can look at your individual business or whatever, whatever happens, anything goes kind of deal. And then just helping you, coach you along, potentially setting up your systems, your processes, or the ins and outs of particular deals and that kind of thing, just whatever it is. So it'd be something super affordable. But yeah, let me know if that would be of interest to you. Because like I said, people have hit me up asking me about mentorship, but I don't know, are people willing to do that or not? If you are, great. If you're not, great too. Like I said, I didn't start any of this to really make money. I started doing content on YouTube just to really give back, because I learned from YouTube, and I know that people resonate with different types of people. So I always suggest, like, don't watch a ton of people's content. Find somebody, or maybe one or two people that you kind of resonate with, that you kind of feel a vibe with, and learn from them. And I tell you my experiences from real life. It's not pie in the sky or hopes or dreams or something that worked years ago and now I just coach. It's not that. We do this business all day, every day. So I tell people what actually works, what doesn't work, what we're changing, what we're moving to, what we're looking to implement later, all the things like that, because we do this business all day, every day. Did over $1 million last year in revenue, which sounds like a lot, but it's super way under my goals. So I want to do more. I'm always looking to grow, because I feel like if you're not growing, you're kind of stagnant, and that's when you can get complacent and your business actually starts diminishing, in my opinion. Because that's happened to me in my marketing business years back. Start getting complacent. You're happy with where things are. You're not actively pursuing to try to get better or to grow yourself. And then it just starts getting boring, to where you end up just kind of going backwards, eventually. So I'm always looking to grow, always looking to scale higher. My goal, I haven't been shy about what my goal is. I've always been striving to hit $1 million a month. And will I ever hit it? I don't know. But that's what I'm striving for. So that's what everything that I do, I have that end goal in mind. So I'm always looking to do whatever it takes to kind of get closer to that point. So I know that hiring people is a big key, because I do feel like we definitely have everything down. We've got our systems, processes, our system in general. Everything is ready. It's just more people needed, and then ramp up marketing as we grow the team to accommodate. And therefore, doing more of what I'm doing as far as all those things go would just automatically increase our revenue. So anyways, but the goal is to not be one of those companies to where, yeah, you do $1 million a month, but your expenses are 500,000 or 600,000. I don't want any part of that. My goal is to always operate 60% or more profit margin. Right now, we're probably in the 70 to 75% profit margin range, simply because we're completely virtual. So that allows us to not have this huge overhead as far as office space and all those expenses involved with an actual office. We all work from our homes, which is its own challenge for sure, but at the same time, it keeps our costs way down. So between acquisitions and dispositions and transactions, it's probably at around a 21%, as far as that income goes for those people. And then marketing, 3, 4, 5, 6% maybe per month. So that's why I say we're typically 70 to 75% profit margin on a monthly basis, wholesaling wise. Now that changes when you add flips and rentals and things like that. But just wholesale business, 70% or so. But I always want to be above 60 is my point. So even at $1 million a month, I feel like we can do that with less than 10 people, like core people on the team, not including VAs, to where we could actually still be 60% plus profit margin. So that's kind of my goal. So that's what I'm striving for. But yeah, looking at hiring new people, got new deals posted on the board every week, new deals closing every week. So just hoping to 10x that, really. So anyways, hopefully some of this was valuable to you, and hopefully you got a little bit of something out of it. But if you did, you stuck around this long, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be bringing you more valuable videos in the near future, and stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.